Sewer inspection for 3056, oh, going a little bit, 3056 43rd Avenue West. Keep going, let me pull it way back. So right here is the connection into the city main. You can see that the city main has been lined, and then we have concrete pipe, 6-inch concrete pipe coming back off of the main. This is all in okay condition. A little slower. A little slower, Joe. A little bit of root intrusion there. Go back in. Oh, you're good. Large root intrusion there. I'm going to pause the recording and locate that.